Hello everyone, today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. Today, we're going to discuss about order of operation with fractions. So we have some examples here, and while we're computing the examples, I'm going to explain to you the steps. Okay? So of course, when we talk on order of operation, we have the word PEMDAS. So when we say PEMDAS, we have parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So in our example number 1, we have 3/4 plus 2/3 minus 1/2 plus 2/3 plus 4/5. So we have a close and open parenthesis inside. So which one do we need to do first? So in the middle, we can do it as 1 inside the parenthesis. Okay? So we will copy the first number or given. We have 3/4 plus. Okay? So we will get the LCD. So what is the LCD of 3, 2, 3, and 5? Okay, so we have 30. Okay, so 30 divided by 3, we have 10. 10 times 4, we have 40. Minus 30 divided by 2, we have 15 times 1 is 15. 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 times 2, we have 20. And 30 divided by 5, we have 6. 6 times 4, we have 24. Next step, 3/4 plus, okay, so we will perform the operation on the top. So 40 minus 15, we have 25. So 25 plus 20 plus 24, copy the denominator 30. Then after that, again 3/4 plus 25 plus 20 plus 24, we have 2, 4, 69 all over 30. Next, we need to add 3/4 and 69 over 30. Since 69 and over 30 are both divisible by 3, so we can get the lowest term before we're going to add to 3/4. So we will continue here. So divisible by 3, 69 divided by 3, we have 23. And 30 divided by 3, we have 10. Okay? So we have now 3/4 plus 23 over 10. So since they are unlike fractions, so we will get their LCD. So 3/4 plus 23 over 10, their LCD is 40. So 40 divided by 4, 20, sorry. So 20 divided by 4, we have 5. 5 times 3, we have 15. Plus 20 divided by 10 is 2. 2 times 23, we have 46. Then add 15 plus 46, we have 5, 10, 11. Carry 1, 4, 5, 6. So 61 over 20. So this is our answer. But since this is improper fraction, we can make it as mixed number if there is no 61 over 20. So how? 61 divided by 20. So we have 3. 60. Subtract. We have 1. So 3 is our whole number. The remainder 1 is our numerator. And the divisor 20 is our denominator. So our final answer is either 61 over 20 or 3 and 1 over 20. Okay? Okay, so next, we have example number 2. We have 7/8 plus braces 5 over 7 plus close and open parenthesis 1/2 plus 1/3 divided by 5 over 6 close by brace. Okay, so first, the first step here is the one inside. This one. Okay? So, copy everything. 7, 8 plus 5 over 7 plus. Okay? So, their LCD is 6. So, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Divided by 5 over 6. Lowest term, 7, 8 plus 5 over 7. So, 3 plus 2, 5 over 6. Divided by 5 over 6. Okay. So, if you notice, we have here addition and division. So, it must be the division first before addition. So, we will do first this one. Okay. So, copy 7, 8 plus 5 over 7 plus, okay, 5, 6 divided by 5, 6. Remember, if you divide a number by itself, the answer is always 1. So, this is already 1. And then, brace. Copy. Let's move it here. 7, 8 plus, okay, 5 over 7 plus 1. So, let's make it as fraction. 5, 7 plus 1 over 1. Next, 7, 8 plus LCD is 7. So, we have 5 plus 7 times 1, divide. 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Okay? Next, we have 7 over 8 plus 7 plus 5, we have 12 over 7. Since they are dissimilar fractions, so let's have what you call this one? LCD. So their LCD is 56. So 56 divided by 8 is 7. 7 times 7, we have 49. Plus 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. 8 times 12, we have, so 12 times 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 1 is 96. So we have 96. Next, we have 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1. 9 plus 5, 14. So 145 over 56. So this is our final answer. And if you notice, we still need to simplify because the answer is improper fraction. Okay, so we're going to divide 145 divided by 56. So we have, okay, 2. 2 times 6, 12, carry 1. 2 times 5, 10, plus 1, 11. Subtract 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. That's it. So we have 33. Or, so our whole number is 2. Our numerator is 33, the remainder. And our divisor is 56, which is the denominator. So the final answer is 145 over 46 or 2 and 33 over 56. Okay, next. Next example. We have here number 3. Okay, next example number 3. So we have here multiple operations. So first, We have 5 7 times, close and open parenthesis, 5 6 minus 2/3 divided by 2/5 times, close and open parenthesis, 3/5 plus 6 over 25. Okay, so of course, we need to do first the operation inside the parenthesis. Okay, so copy 5 halves times, okay, close and open parenthesis, 5 6 minus 2/3. So their LCD is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Copy, minus 6 divided by 3, we have 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Divided by 2/5 times. Okay, we need to do first the operation inside the parentheses. So we have the LCD is 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 3, we have 15. Plus 25 divided by 25. Remember, if you divide a number by itself, is always 1. So 1 times 6, we have 6. Next, lowest terms of 5 halves times 5 minus 4 is equal to 1/6. Divided by 2/5 times 15 plus 6, we have 21 over 25. So it's either division or multiplication. It's okay. Okay, but it is better if we do from left to right. Okay, so 5 halves times 1/6. So we can do cancellation since there's no thing that we can divide. Okay, so that is multiplication. Okay, so we will do this first. Okay, so 5 times 1, we have 5. 2 times 6, we have 12. Divided by, okay, so are we going to divide now 5 and 12? The same. So we can divide now. 2/5 times 21 over 25. So we will do now this one. Remember, in dividing fractions, copy the first number. So so we have 5 over 12. And then the divisor will be get the reciprocal. So 5 halves, then proceed to multiplication. Okay? So we have times 21 over 25. So we can do the cancellation. Okay? So in here, 5 and 25, both divisible by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Next, is there any? Yes. 5 and 5 are still factorable. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So 12 to 21. 21 and 12 are both divisible by 3. Okay? So 21 divided by 3, we have 7. 12 divided by 3, we have 4. Okay, that's it. So the final answer is 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Over 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 1, we still have 8. So the final answer is 7 over 8. Okay? Okay. Oh, sorry. It was not seen in the video. Okay, next. Example number 4. Okay, so for our example number 4, we have here close and open parenthesis 2/3 minus 3/4 times 1/8 divided by 2/3 minus 3/4 plus 5/8. Remember the word PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So why I put a line? So multiplication or division or multiplication, it's okay. Okay? The same thing with addition and subtraction, addition, it's okay. Okay, so if there is a multiplication, we will start first with the multiplication or division. So in here, there is a division in between of these two groups. So first, we will do first the operation inside the parentheses. So in here, we can't do subtraction first. We need to do first the multiplication. Okay, so copy 2/3 minus, okay, multiply 3/4 times 1/8. We can do cancellation if there is a number that can be cancelled, but I think there's no number that can be cancelled. So we have 3 times 1, 3. 8 times 4, we have 32. Next, divided by. So in here, we can do as 1. Okay, so the LCD of 3, 4, and 8, we have 24. Okay, 24. So 24 divided by 3, we have 8. 8 times 2, 16. 24 divided by 4, we have 6. 6 times 3, 18. Next, plus 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 5, we have 15. Next, lowest term. So we have here 3 and 32. So let's get their LCD. LCD of 3 and 32, we have LCD. So let's get the LCD. We have 96. Okay, so 96 divided by 3, we have 32. 32 times 2, we have 64. Next, 96 divided by 32, we have 3. 3 times 3, we have 9. Divided by 16. Okay. 18 plus 15, we have. So 16 minus 5, 10, 13, carry 1, 1, 2, 3. 33 over 24. Next, 64 minus 9, we have 52. Oh, no, 50. Okay, 64 minus 9. So this becomes 14. This becomes 5. So we have 5. 55. So we have 55 all over 96 divided by 16 minus 33. No, it cannot be. So we have 16 plus 15, 10, 20, 31 minus 18. Okay, wait. Okay, so we have here 16 minus 18 plus 15. So let's copy first 16 minus. Okay, if you look at this, negative 18 plus 15 is negative 3. Because they have unlike sign. So 18 minus 15, so you're going to subtract, is 3. Now next, 16 minus 3, we have 13 over 24. So since 13 and 24 don't have any factored anymore, so that's it. Then after that, we're going to divide 55 over 96 divided by 13 over 24. So the rule is in dividing fractions. Copy the first number, 55 over 96, get the reciprocal of the second number. So 24 over 13, then proceed to multiplication. So we can do cancellation if there is a number that can be cancelled. So 24 and 96 are both divisible by 8. Yes, 8. So 24 divided by 8 is 3. 96 divided by 8 is 9 divided by 8, 1. 16 divided by 8, 2. So 12. So still, 3 and 12 are divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3, 1. 12 divided by 3, 4. Okay. So next, 15 and 13, or 55 and 13 don't have any factor. So 55 times 1 is equal to 55 all over. 4 times 13, we have 4 times 3, 12. Carry 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, 52. So we have 55 all over 52. So since this is improper fraction, then we can lowest term it by dividing 55 and 52. The shortcut method in dividing this small number, we simply divide. 55 divided by 52 is equal to 1. And then put a line. 55 minus 52, we have 3. So the 3 is our remainder. That will be our numerator. And copy the divisor or denominator, 52. Okay? That's it. And is 3 and 52 can be lowest term? Or do they have any factor? So 3, no. So this is our final answer. Okay guys, I hope you learned from this lesson, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Again, in computing ordered operation, we simply follow the PEMDAS or parenthesis, exponent,